In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, launch Photos and click on Collections at the bottom in the middle. It's this option here between Photos and a paintbrush icon. Now pick one of your folders from which you want to get rid of your photos, like Camera. Hold one, and to select multiple, just click on those icons at the top right corners. To keep some, click on them, and to get rid of the rest, use this bin button at the top, right next to the shopping cart. Then tap on Got It, and move to bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!